this how you're supposed to do this? So this really nice Sikky Hydro Boost setup, or not Hydro Boost, Sikky handbrake setup, and it originally came with, I think, a 3/4 inch master cylinder, which isn't really working for what I wanted. It wasn't, something about, is it bigger bore size puts out more pressure, but you have to put more effort into it, so I swapped out for this, I think a 5/8. Don't quote me on that one, I'll look it up later. But this should actually push more fluid the more I pull, so it should require less effort in the handbrake to lock the wheels up, which might be overkill since I'm swapping to Wilwood calipers in the rear, but I kind of don't really care. We'll see how that works out. Now let's reposition later. I'm just doing a dry fitting for right now. Just trying to make sure I can get everything back in and working first before I put some fluid in the system. I really don't think I'm going to have time to do anything like that today. So if anybody cares, this is the Sikky prototype. The handle's a little bit different now. Handbrake, kind of a competitor ASD with braided 3AN line that goes to the factory hard lines, which goes out through my back seat. If anybody really cares, factory torque spec is 45 foot-pounds for your axles.